and I smell it. Yikes. Today is February 15th, 2024. They're back at it. They got rained out yesterday, late yesterday. Looks like they're actually starting to fill some stuff in here. Construction rather than destruction. A lot of stuff. Yeah, that looks a little different than yesterday. Don't fall. I'll get you on video. Got a bunch of stuff. Returns, lights, cleaner, light, return. It's starting to come together. I had a tree guy come out this morning and give an estimate to get rid of this tree. We love the tree, but it's quite messy and it's got some huge roots growing here and there all about, and I don't want it to create any damage on all of this new stuff. So I think the tree is going bye-bye. There's not a whole lot of change from this morning. It's about 4 o'clock. These guys out there eating lunch right now. They're gonna come back and work a little bit more today. I gotta shut this off or I may fall into the deep end here. These guys have spent the better part of today working back here. And over here, these are valves to throttle the shear descents that are going in over here. That is just a lot of plumbing, isn't it? And they're not quite done.